Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can unmute someone on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on message icon. Next, find the profile which you want to unmute. After that, long press on it. Next, you can see the option of unmute messages. Tap on it. So, this is how you can unmute on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.